Myself Neha Ravindra More. My student ID is U19388553. Identification and relevance of the problems. Introduction of a small to medium enterprise. The research was conducted to determine how the e-commerce base in UK were impacted due to the COVID-19 situation, which is everybody need to suffer now as the UK implemented the countrywide lockdown due to this coronavirus and pandemic. Most of its retail store, supermarket, pub, restaurant and other businesses have been hard hit and some of them had to rely on online sales to ensure market sustainability. Then background. Background. The COVID 19 situation and due to that social distancing regulations and countrywide lockdown have forced to small to medium enterprises, which is small and medium sized enterprises in the UK, to look for alternative ways to sell their products and services. However, in this current digital age, almost all SMEs have adopted e-commerce and commerce to increase their distribution facilities and were heavily dependent on it during a situation of COVID-19 situations. The research have been conducted to analyze and evaluate both positive and negative impact of the pandemic on such e-commerce small and medium enterprises in the UK. Then hypothesis. Hypothesis as the social distancing situation in the UK have significantly increased the online purchase of a product in enterprise delivering them whom their needs, it can be hypothesized that COVID-19 has positively influenced the e-commerce based small to medium enterprises in the UK. Then objectives. Objectives. The objectives of the research are first of to determine how COVID-19 impacted online sales to small to medium enterprises in the UK. Second, to find the impact of employees working working for UK in small to medium enterprises. To evaluate the change in a consumer online behavior during COVID-19 situation. Then materials. Analysis of materials, theories and resources. First of materials. The COVID-19 lockdown in the UK extending till October and reopening in November have resulted in a 51% drop of holes on the high street of the UK, while the shopping centres recorded recorded a recorded a drop of 45.6%. Channel Advisors UK 2020, which shows that people more diverted to e-commerce. When survey all across UK, about 51% of the consumers admitted to increase in online shopping in the last 2 months, whereas about 48% have focused mostly on online retail stores due to the ongoing quarantine. As the online shopping behavior of the customers have transformed during the lockdown period, the e-commerce with small and medium enterprises in the UK has also seen a sharp increase in the sales, especially those operating in the retail sector. The online grocery sales have reached about 14% of the market share during the second lockdown in the UK, which is which is the small to medium enterprises cover a significant portion due, due to their reach in the local communities. Although in the in-store sale of the small to medium enterprises has been negatively impacted due to the lockdown, but increased online shopping have resulted in 68% consumers being aware of small to medium enterprises brands and 58% have prefer purchasing from such small to medium enterprises. Furthermore, at almost 76% of consumers are willing to purchase from these even after the end of the COVID-19 situation. Then, methodology of small to medium enterprises. The chosen methodology for the report was source that in nature where primary data sources were used for collecting information. In order to better understand the influence of a COVID-19 situation on small to medium enterprises, about 100% of employees in in e-commerce based small to medium enterprises were included as a participant for the research study. A survey consisting of 15 patients was conducted online where the employees participated voluntarily and responded on the impact of a COVID-19 situation on their organization. The responses were analyzed through percentile method and presented through graphs, graphs and charts on the presentation. Then analysis. Analysis based on a research method, it shows that the quarantine situation due to COVID-19 have actually negatively impacted in the in-store sales in small to medium enterprises. On the other hand, the e-commerce mode of small to medium enterprises has seen significant growth in a traffic as most customers are relied on online shopping during the lockdown. The question in the survey is focused toward the change in sales figures in the online sector and employees have responded accordingly on that. Although no individual response of the participant has been disclosed, the collective results have been evaluated based on the percentile method and have been analyzed quantitatively through graphs and tables. Then models, outcome, conclusion, and recommendation. Model: the model used for the research study in this standard model of primary data collection. However, due to the social distancing regulation for the COVID-19 situation, the entire data collection process has been conducted online and survey questions have been filled online as well. The employee who belongs to small and medium enterprises have been asked to participate voluntarily after filling out the consent for, form and the data have been analyzed in a quantitative manner and are represented numerically. As for the secondary data, literature sources and statistics have been used from recent reports to ensure an accurate outcome. Results of small to medium enterprises. The data analysis of a questionnaire surveys result is that the influence of COVID-19 on the e-commerce based small to medium enterprises. Although there were some differences in the responses of the participants, but the majority of the employees stated that influence was positive, as most of the people who are the customer of small to medium enterprises were stuck at home due to the lockdown. They had more time to purchase online and this habit increased over time. Also, the economic downfall due to the pandemic resulted in a customer looking for cheaper alternative for their household product. For this reason, instead of shopping from branded products or from large stores, people relied mostly to small to medium enterprises and their e-commerce services. This mutual dependence between the local community, businesses, and citizens has actually helped out of the small to medium enterprises in the UK, which was hit hard during the initial stages of the pandemic. Conclusion. The research study is quite conclusive and the data analysis indicate that the COVID-19 influence on the small to medium enterprises in the UK is mostly positive and employees have seen a significant increase in their sales. The entire research study had to be conducted remotely and data was collected online due to the social distancing norms. Recommendation. Now that the COVID-19 situation have greatly influenced in a increasingly the sales and e-commerce based small to medium enterprises in the UK. This organization should further capitalize on this and use various marketing strategies to ensure the trend continues even after the pandemic. As the consumer get used to shopping online, increasing the consumer behavior can help increase sales to the small to medium enterprises in the UK. Implication of enterprise in in a digital world, the implication of increased e-commerce activities to small to medium enterprises in the UK indicates that the consumer are more comfortable purchasing online. Although after the lockdown is lifted, people would increase their in-store purchases, but the extent of their online purchases would be higher than before the pandemic. We know that this situation is too difficult for everyone, but uh, it affected businesses and all. This is this is all the references which I used for this research. Thank you so much.